Start with a slip knot and chain 35. You can change the size of the cozy by adjusting the starting chain. Now 1 double crochet in the second chain from the hook and 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until the last stitch. To make the turning, chain 2, insert your hook in the first chain and pull up a loop. Now turn your work, insert in the first double crochet and pull up a loop and pull through first 2 loops and pull through the next 2 loops. This way you will get a straight edge. Now continue making double crochets. Repeat the same on this side as well. Chain 2. Now keep making double crochets until you reach the size which you need. Okay, I've made mine up to 3.5 inches. Chain 1, 1 single crochet until the middle stitch. Chain 8 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch. You can adjust this button loop according to the button which you are using. I am using this button, so just check it if it is going through. And continue making 1 single crochet in the rest of the stitches. Now to make the bunny ears, you can weave off your yarn over here and join back at the 4th or 5th stitch, or else you can continue making slip stitches. Now chain 11, one double crochet in the second chain from the hook, and continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch until the last stitch. Once you reach the end, slip stitch in this stitch. Now make the second ear in the same way. While making the slip stitch, change to the white color yarn. And secure it properly and weave off this yarn. Now chain 1 and now make 1 single crochet in each and every stitch along the sides of the ears and take this loose ends along with this yarn. Make 1 single crochet in the middle stitch as well and continue along the sides. So reach the end, slip stitch and weave off your yarn. This is how it will look. I'm using a yarn needle, sew the button. I had this fox fur pom-pom with me, I'm using for this project. You can make your pom-pom with wool as well. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.